Okay, a little bit of progress on the truck. Oh, this floor was messed up, so I had to patch that all back together. It's nasty looking, but I don't care. It's getting covered up. But yeah, they cut that all to hell, so I had to go through and patchwork all that up. This place is a mess. I'm packing up tonight to clean all this up. Oh, threw a support in here. That's super. I think I got a bolt missing, but yeah, patchwork all that up. I'm not happy with it, but it's ton strong. They had it cut all the way down here, cut here, cut here. He pried it back, but now she's plenty sturdy, plenty strong. So I have something good to weld to. Screw around with this, cut back, grind back, cut some more. Whole bunch of cutting and checking, and yeah. Oh, so here's my plan, revised anyway. This little thingy, and go in here, and over here, something like that. I gotta grind it and everything, but that's gonna go like that, right up in here, and that's the rough land, and then this right here, I got that notched for that, and that's gonna go over there. That's my driver's side, and my passenger side sitting over there. And what I gotta do, something like that. I want to have it. I was gonna use the 2.5 by 2.5, but that's too big. It's gonna be hanging down like here. I think it looked like crap. So I was like, well, after screwing around with that dang gas tank, checking it, dropping it. I bet you I dropped that tank like 10 times today. And yeah, so that's all got to get cleaned up. But here's the rough plan. This is just, I got to grind this still a little bit, but the rough plan is to just have this thing be flush, like right about there, like a 1/16 of an inch gap. And then I'm going to have that thing on top for the weather stripping. The weather stripping is going to be up here. It should be pressing right against this part of the door when I get to it. But you can see I gotta grind that and play around with that, and it's been like a 10-hour day. I'm pretty much done for today. But yeah, there you go. That's the super rough plan that I can tie into here to there, and also notch that, and probably figure out where this front is and square off that front, and then square off this bottom with a nice flat piece, and yeah, that'll be stupid strong, and that'll work. And the big thing was I can use that piece because my gas tank is like about a 1/2 inch off this, so I mean it's right here, so I had to play around with that and figure that out. But end of the day, it's gonna give me, I don't know, here's your old rocker, so 5 inches of clearance, which really doesn't matter that much, but nice and thick, it'll give me nice clearance and everything. But what I gotta do right now, let's put the pause on everything, is, oh man, Rock Auto finally got me these in. So I got my door strikers and I got my pins. The one door is good, but this one drops. It was doing it before I even started screwing it. Now it's pretty bad. But, so yeah, it needs pins. You can hear it. So yeah. Still closes good, but yeah, like I'm saying, these strikers are shot. So I'm gonna play around with that. They'll come right out. But that's where I'm at. Just a lot of screwing around, getting everything back around. There you go. I wasn't planning on messing around with that, but what it's going to do is, about here, probably going to chop the fender off And then that, see where my bumper is? Crooked and such. See where my bumper is up there? That's going to get me about the same. So it'll be about the same as where the bottom of the bumper is. It's right about here on the tire is the front bumper. So it'll kind of look the same-ish. Obviously the cab's going to be hanging down. I don't know what I'm doing with the cab. But, or not cab, the bed. The bed's going to be hanging down. I don't know what I'm doing with that. But whatever. The tank really doesn't hang down. The tank hangs down to right about here. So, not bad. If I decide to keep the tank, I don't know if I'm keeping the tank at this point. I'm keeping this tank. I just don't know if I'm keeping the saddle tank or going with a, look at all this open space I got right here. Tempting. So, I don't know. Yeah. That might get a tank in it somewhere if I go with a flatbed or something. But I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing right now. Right now I just want to get it ready for winter. But yeah. That's where I'm at. Little update. Thank you.